साथ मिलने आते हैं वीडियो थ्रू, तो आई थिंक यू शुड विश, फाइन। जैसे मैम आपको गुड मॉर्निंग बोल रहे हैं, मैम इज ग्रीटिंग यू, सो यू शुड ऑल्सो ग्रीट टू मैम, फाइन। सो किड्स, आज मैथ्स का वीडियो है, उसमें मैम आपको अपने नंबर स्मार्ट बी बुक का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाएंगे, या फिर आज कुछ हम बुक में लेंगे, फाइन, बुक में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो ठीक है, इजंट इट इंटरेस्टिंग? चलो, तो हमारी आप जो बड़ी बुक है नंबर स्मार्ट बी की, उसको आपको ओपन करना है, फाइन। सो मैम इज गोइंग टू टेक द एग्जाम्पल्स रिलेटेड टू आर 10 group. The 10 makes a group, right? The revision on tens and ones through the objects, much more in the book we are going to take some activities. So I hope you all are ready. मुझे पता है आप सब लोग रेडी हो और सब लोग करने के लिए बहुत उत्सुक हो. You are very much, excited. Fine. So here, number smart B, we are going to, introduce or start from today. So we are going to take the 10 makes a group. How does 10 makes a group? मैम ने आपको टेंस एंड वंस बताया, बहुत सारा आपके दिमाग में भी आ चुका है, तो अब हमें बुक में लेना है, बुक में हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्लावर्स, लीव्स, फाइन. सो सी on the board, we'll start from the board, like 1, 2, 3, you can count by starting method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many objects we have crossed? 10. Fine. So चलो 10 के बारे में और जानते हैं, फाइन. तो बच्चों, मैम इज गोइंग टू होल्ड द बुक. यू कैन सी दिस बुक. दिस इज योर नंबर स्मार्ट बी बुक. Number smart B, you should open. So open this from page number 24. Please take out your page number 24. Okay? Good. So here are given some pictures like your flowers picture. Fine kids. So this is the activity. बहुत अच्छी activity है. You can fold the page like this. See kids, there are given more than 10 flowers. But what is the instruction? There are row of flowers in the garden. Count only 10 flowers in each row. हर रो के आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ 10 flowers को ही काउंट करना है. And draw a line after 10 flowers in each row. आपको standing line draw करनी है, ठीक है? If I am telling you that I have done till 10, fine, and I am going to put one extra one here. Add it. Okay? So after counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, I have to draw one line. After making after counting the 10 objects, I have to draw one standing line. Fine kids? So got it? This activity we are going to do in our book. So I hope you all are ready. So let's count these flowers, yellow flowers. Okay? Very lovely flowers. These are fine. Can you see? येलो फ्लावर्स. वन हैज डन फॉर यू दैट. गुलाब के फूल जो है उनके साथ एक्टिविटी कर चुके हैं. दीज आर रोज फ्लावर्स. यू कैन सी द दिस ब्लैक लाइन. ओके, स्टैंडिंग लाइन. सो लेट्स डू येलो फ्लावर्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू काउंट 1. यू कैन स्ट्रक इट लाइक दिस. ओके, सो होल्ड इट प्रॉपर्ली. आई एम गोइंग टू होल्ड 1, 2, काउंट इट, 3, 4. You should say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. See kids, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what shall I do? I have to draw here one standing line. Okay. By holding book properly, you can draw standing line here. I have done. Okay. Good. Now let's go for next. See, the different flower, different type of flowers are given. So let's struck it. Okay, I'm going to hold like this. It will be comfortable. So here, one out, 1, 2, strike it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I have done with 10. So I am going to draw one standing line here. After completing this group, I have drawn one standing line. Okay. So I have done with that. Have you done? Okay. Keep doing. Fine. Next, shall we go for next? Yes. So here are periwinkle flowers. Fine. Do you like periwinkle flowers? They come in like pink, pink and white. Fine. They comes in different colors like white, pink. Fine. Some are purple. Okay. So let's struck it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last I am going to strike 10. Fine. अब 10 होने के बाद आपको रुक जाना है, उसके आगे मत जाइए. You draw one simple standing line. Got it, kids? Done. Next, these flowers. Let's do with these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last is given 10. So here are only 10 are given. So draw the line at the last of this. Fine. So we have done it. Fine, kids. Next. ये गेंदे के फूल है. Okay. Marigold flowers. So let's strike them one by one. 1. Okay. Can you see this? 2. You do with your book. Your numbers might be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I have done till 10 and putting one standing line. I have done the group of 10. So this is I have done, kids, one page. Can you see this? After counting 10 objects, we have to draw one standing line. So this was my class work. CW डालना है यहाँ पे और डेट डालनी है आज 28/7. Okay, you have to put date like this. Okay, got it? So you have to write CW 28/7. Okay, got it? So next page, you can see this will be your PH. Now you have to do this at home. This page you have to do. There are many types of leaves in the garden. Now do this with leaves. We have done with the flowers. Okay, so turn the page. Page number 26, kids. So put the CW here. Again put date 28/7. Okay, you have to put the date 28th of July and 2020. You have to put date like this. Fine, kids. So you can take your parents' help. Fine, for putting the date and all. So here 10 makes a group. You can see a bag of 10 pencils. Okay. Trace the box around each group. Okay. Now repeat the lines written in pink after your teacher. I am just telling, just repeating. If like I am saying, so you have to repeat it. Fine. Point to the picture as you say each line. Okay. So see. Special number. 10 is special number and 10 makes a group. A bag of pencil, you have to trace this. Okay, box. Fine. So you trace this also and count it. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the bag of pencil. Okay, filled with pencils. So you have to say it. Fine. Again here, a plant with 10 flowers. एक plant है इसका, ठीक है? तो ये flowers को आपको hibiscus. This is hibiscus flower. Fine. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, kids. तो इसी प्रकार आपको सारे जैसे कि heave of bees. So heave छत्ता जो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता बोलते हैं उसको. तो heave of bees. तो ये bees कितने हैं वो आप काउंट कीजिए. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. A heave of 10 bees. Okay, kids. तो यहाँ पे ट्रेस कीजिए इसको कम्प्लीटली. और यहाँ पे ग्लास ऑफ 10 ब्रशेस. अब 10 ब्रशेस से ही आपको काउंट करना है. ओके, ये ऑडियो फाइन. एंड यू कैन ट्रेस दिस लाइन्स एंड एंड ऑफ 10 हैंड्स. एंड पे केवल 10 हैंड्स है. यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दिखाया है तो you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay kids, so count it and make it interesting. Fine. So pictures are given, interesting pictures are given. On the next page you count and write the correct number. Fine. Count and write the correct number. You have to trace it only and you have to count the numbers. You can put as a PH. Okay, put the date, same date here. Fine kids, so here 27 again. So here you can see Granny's sweet box. Granny has brought sweet box for us. Fine. So you can see Granny is watching her sweet box that she has brought for you. Okay, so you can see the chocolate chips are there, candies are there, and these lemon candies are, lemon candies are there, and orange candies are there, chocolates are there in the wrap also, they have wrapped, fine, well, and these are chocolate sticks, fine. So kids, do one thing, this is your classwork, put first CW here, okay, CW is in. I am putting here, put same days, 28, okay, 7, 2020. You can take help for this, putting the date, fine. So you can see, trace the lines, you have to trace the lines. I am going to trace, okay, on my page. I have to trace it, fine, like I am tracing, see, you can see, I am tracing on the given lines, dots are given. Again I am tracing these lines because if you count all the candies, they are group of 10. They are making group of 10. Like if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will have more object to count. 10. Okay. So here you can count this. You can count this. You just trace it nicely. With the help of nice pencil, you can trace it and you can count it also. Fine kids? So trace all the, trace all the boxes. Fine? So next page is fish in the sea. Okay? Fish in the sea. Kids, ये भी हमारा classwork रहेगा अभी. We will do classwork. Draw a line around the group that have 10 fish. जो group में 10 fish है, उसी में आपको 10 फिशेस है, उसी में 10 फिश है, उसी में आपको उसी पर केवल और केवल उस पर सर्कल करना है. फाइन. सो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ अ लाइन. फाइन. और 1 2 यू कैन काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. फाइन. सो ड्रॉ अ लाइन ड्रॉ करो या फिर सर्कल ड्रॉ करो. ओके, वॉट एवर, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो यहाँ पे 10 पे मैम ने सर्कल या फिर उनको एक ग्रुप बना दिया है. अब यहाँ पे आप काउंट करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. there are only 7 fish. Fine. So you should not draw a line around them. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, only 8 fishes, so they are not making group of 10, so leave them. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now these green fishes have makes the group, so makes the group of 10, so I can draw a line around them. Fine. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 only. No, we cannot. So can you see this? Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, you can make the circle over on them. Fine. Now these blue fishes shall I count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. More than 10, 11 12 13 14. No, this is not the group of 10, so leave it. Fine. So there are more than 10. So how many groups of 10 did you circle? Count and write. कितने ग्रुप्स आपने फॉर्म किए हैं उसको काउंट कीजिए. कितने फिश है उसमें. ओके, ड्रॉ लाइन अराउंड द ग्रुप दैट हैव 10 फिश. 10 फिश है तो उसका ग्रुप आपको इसमें ऐड करना है, जैसे कि 1 2 and 3. ओके, I have formed the 3 groups. So I am writing here 3. Fine. So this was your activity. Okay, now turn the page. turn the page. Right. Next is group of 10. Now as a PH you can do this. Circle only group of 10. Okay. So this is your PH. You have to do. Okay. Circle only the group of 10. Here also both are your PH digits. Okay. Tomorrow you can do this. Fine. On 29. So put here 29. Fine kids. So tomorrow you can do this. Fine. These 2 pages you have to do tomorrow. 29, 7. Got it kids? So you have to do these 2 pages tomorrow itself. Fine. I am going to turn the page. Kids, you can see these pages. Like you can see the shop fruit man. Like he's selling the fruits. Jamuns are kept here and some bananas are there. Fine. So count each type of fruit. When you count 10 fruit, write 1 under T and count the leftover fruits. Write the number under 1's column. Means क्या है आपको जो भी ग्रुप बनेगा 10 का उसको आपको 10th की कॉलम में लिखना है और लेफ्ट ओवर fruit you have to write in 1's column. So let's do it. Fine. Are you ready? Okay, I am ready. Fine. So let's count with these bananas. Can you see these 10s and 1s? Fine. So here count the bananas first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bunch of 10. So here I have to write in 1's column. Getting? ओके नाउ आप देख सकते हो नीचे कुछ बनानास गिरे हैं. वो है कितने काउंट करते हैं 1, 2 and 3. वी आर गॉट 3. सो 3 मैम ने किस में लिखा है कौन सी कॉलम में 1s के कॉलम में. फाइन. सो लेट्स काउंट द जामुन्स नाउ. दिस इज द बंच ऑफ 10. यू कैन काउंट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. नाउ 10 मीन्स 10s का ग्रुप रहेगा उसमें आपको ओनली 1 लिखना है. फाइन किड्स. And leftover jamuns you have to write here in 1's column. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 you have to write in 1's column. I think. Are you getting? So it is 1 and 80. 1 10s and 8 1s. Fine. Now mangoes. Okay, so this is the group of 10. We have to write here in 10's column. And leftover fruits 2 mangoes I have to write in this column. Okay, can you see this? So it has become 1 to 12. These all together they are 12 mangoes. Now here, okay, cherries. Fine. So these are 10 cherries. Okay, all together we have formed the 10th column. Fine. 10th group. 1 I am going to put. And leftover you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 will be in 1's column. Got it kids? So here ma'am has done it and you have to put here CW. Okay, this is your class work. Next, page number 33. Kids, this is your PH. Now you have to do it by counting these things. Fine. Pineapples are given. So here is the group of 10 and 1 is leftover. So you have to fill this place. And these are the jamuns. You have to count. This is a bunch of 10. You can write in 10's column. And leftover fruits you have to count and write here. Fine. This is your task. Same here. You have to do. And this for guavas also. Okay. So next is rows of flowers. Kids, you take out your 34 number. Find page number 34. Count only 10 flowers in this row. Draw a line after 10 flowers. सेम जैसे कि हमने पहले पेज पे किया है वैसे ही आपको करना है और लेफ्ट ओवर फ्लावर्स यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. चलो इसको करते हैं हम साथ में. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to draw one standing line after 10, group of 10. I am going to write in 10's column. Okay, I have to hold it properly. Okay, fine. 10. I have done with this 1. Okay, I have write 1 in this. Fine. So next is how many left flowers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leftover flowers I have to write in 1's column. Got it kids? तो इस तरीके से आपको करना है 1 to 12. After counting this, doing this, you have to trace this. Fine. So next is this count only 10 flowers in a in this row draw a line after 10 flowers. Same you have to do for this as a pH. So put the pH on 29. Fine kids. So here we are going to stop this activity. Fine. So counting 10. So kids, you can do more practice. You can fill up your book and keep practice. Concentration के साथ कीजिए. Easy है. सिर्फ काउंटिंग करनी है और आपको उसमें लिखना है. 10s and 1s के ग्रुप में आपको कॉलम में नंबर्स प्रॉपरली पुट करने हैं या फिर लिखने हैं. ठीक है. So thank you so much. Keep learning. Have a nice day.